Video 15. Step 5. How are individuals selected? Upon arrival at the selected household, introduce your team and explain the purpose of the visit. List all the individuals living in the household who are part of the survey population, regardless of whether they are present at the time of the visit or not. Randomly pick one of these individuals to interview by drawing slips of paper from a hat or using a random number table. For example, suppose your survey population is children ages 5 to 14 years old. Suppose your family consists of the following: a 33-year-old male, a 30-year-old female, a 16-year-old female, an 11-year-old female, an 8-year-old male, and a 7-year-old female. The only people who would make it on your list to survey would be the 3 youngest children, because only those 3 are eligible. From this list, random selection would be used to determine who to interview. In this example, suppose that each child's name was written on a slip of paper and that the 7-year-old female's name was drawn. That means that she is the one who will be interviewed for the SCT. If the selected individual is not present, first ask if they will return later in the day. If yes, return to the household later for the interview. If the individual will not return in time, ask to interview the individual either locally or via cell phone. If the individual is not able to be interviewed locally or via phone, ask if someone else in the household can respond on their behalf. If a different household member is able to respond on behalf of the absent member, often referred to as a proxy response, record that response. If that is not possible, advance to the next numbered household as a replacement. At the replacement household, it will be necessary to once again list all the individuals living in the household who are part of the survey population, and again pick one person randomly to interview. So, for our list of individuals here, we can see that no one was home in household 59, and therefore it was not possible to select someone to be interviewed. Therefore, in place of that household, household 60 was selected, and a randomly chosen person within household 60 was selected for interview instead. In the case of multiple survey populations, additional steps are taken. These are explained in further depth in SCT Video 21. Check for understanding. Name 2 methods for randomly selecting a person to interview from a selected household. If a household does not have anyone in your survey population, or they are unavailable, what should your procedure be? If you are uncertain of any of these answers, please review this video again.